Good morning and welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. Now in today's video, I will be showing you the frames that I purchased from Goodwill and how I incorporate my new artwork and where I hang it in my home. So sit back, relax, and let's jump right into it. And to quickly share with you a small haul that I did today. This I got from Goodwill. Very heavy, excellent weight on the frame and quality. The price I paid was $9.99. Now I got this for the frame and the glass and mats. I am not going to use the artwork inside. Then I also picked up this one, which is just a small rectangular wood frame. Glass is intact, and this one I paid $1.99. Okay, so the black frame is completely painted and ready. This beautiful piece right here, we got in Aruba. She is gorgeous, but she was just a little bit too short for the frame that I bought. So what we did was cut a black piece of poster board to use as a mat on the top and bottom, and I'll show you what it looks like when we put her in the frame. We used the tabs, but we also reinforced that with some heavy-duty clear tape. I'll show you what it looks like. And she is a beauty, honey. Look at Miss Girl in her new frame, looking absolutely gorgeous. Yes, this is our Aruban beauty. Original art painted in Aruba that we bought in an open market. Just beautiful. Let me zoom out. Dee, can you hold that up for me so I can give the people a good shot of what it looks like? And yes, here she is in all her glory. Looking beautiful. Okay, so that's it for this piece. And we have one more piece from Aruba to frame. And I'll show you that as soon as we're done. And our Aruban beauty I've placed at the top of the stairs. Oh my God, how gorgeous is that? Oh my God, how gorgeous is this? Another piece of original Aruban artwork, and the frame I spray painted a glossy black, and I think that complements the artwork beautifully. And here is my second piece of art, just beautiful. I absolutely love my playbill wall, but I think I'm going to move this wall across the room, and then I'm going to hang my new artwork here. And of course, when I started to take down the playbill wall, I broke one. Oh. And according to the package, each one holds 30 pounds. So I think 2 will work. Here's our stud. love my playbill wall. So I'm gonna relocate that to this side. What I want to do is put this one in the middle and then do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and maybe 1, 2, 3 up higher again. It's my playbill wall.
And I have to tell you, the night that I went to see Ain't Too Proud to Beg, I ran into a guy selling these on the street for $10 each. Honey, I said I can DIY that. So I bought Dollar Tree frames and Dollar Tree mats, already had the playbills, put them inside, and voila!
And there's the art wall. Beautiful. New artwork or Reuben artwork hanging here. And that looks beautiful as well. So that's it for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it gives you inspiration. Until next time, y'all. Take care.